Hey everyone, you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to connect Cash App to Earnin. So first thing you need to do is open up your Cash App and then log in your account. Once your application has been opened up, this is how it's going to look like. From here, all you need to do is just click on your balance at the bottom. So just click on that. From here, you option direct deposit. So simply click on that. And then it's going to show you option to set up your direct deposit. First is that you can find your employer, or the second thing you can use your account details. So for to connect our Earnin app to cash in, we need to use account details. So simply scroll down and then you will account number and routing number. So simply copy both of these numbers, and once you have copied, simply open up your Earnin app and then look for a to add your bank account. So once you found that, simply click on that and then click on your bank, and once you do that it will ask for your banking details. So simply enter bank account number and the routing number that you have copied from Cash App earlier, and once you do that your Cash App to your earning app will be linked. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.